Hello again, my friends. Today we find ourselves back on Walnut Drive. We're going to look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath property with ADU and a pool. It's a very nice day outside. You can definitely tell that the California heat's starting to come in. So let's get inside where it's hopefully a little bit cooler and take a look. As you can see, the house presents very cute, very nice from the front. We haven't gone around back yet though. I understand this is on 0.36 acres, which is pretty generous for parcel size. And it's got a pool, so we'll go take a look at that too. There are definitely some cracks in the pavement. All right, let's go take a look. It's definitely a cozy space. They did a proper job staging it to look appealing. Unfortunately, this is what you get in Citrus Heights, Orangevale. Typically, you're not going to find HOAs in these older neighborhoods. You do get people who will accumulate things like old junker cars over the years, and then they just fall into disrepair in the yard. All right, I am tempted to go look at this very inviting bathroom. Okay, I am exiting the bathroom. Looks like this is the master bedroom. I appreciate some of the details in this house, but there are little things like seams and incomplete floorboards, which I think detract from the overall appeal. But this could be a dream for someone who wants to put a little bit of work into the house. In a small bedroom. There's a view of the ADU from this window. We'll go take a look at that. But first, where all the magic happens, the kitchen. Oh, I love this stained glass. That's beautiful. It's a nice kitchen. Big island. I think this is like a simulation marble. Looks good though. Little breakfast area, dining area, and living room. You have these storage closets hidden by these big, I don't know what you call those, wood panel doors. More storage, I suppose. Oh, okay. There's your washer dryer hookups. This is a 1955 build. The house is certainly settled a bit since it was initially constructed. You have things like those big doors. They seem to be hanging off their hinges, but you just pull up a little bit when shutting it, and you can get over that lip. Now I'm really interested in this backyard. This is a beautiful backyard on generous 0.36 acres. You see a little bamboo forest off to the left there. It's kind of zen. Appeals to my zen sensibilities. Let's go check out that ADU. All right, here's our ADU. It's detached from the main building, from the main house. Good size. I mean, how much space do you really need to put up a guest for the night? It's good. Could easily become a creative space, office. Watch that little step down into the bathroom. This is a full bath inside the ADU. Half bath. Kind of flimsy shower stall. I like the ornaments well enough. It's nice. Looks like this door opens to the side yard. Yeah, we're not going to go out there. Definitely mind that step up when you're using the bathroom in the ADU. That little step could be a big problem for grandma. Door frame is busted. That door does not want to stay closed when it's in the unlocked position.